introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Khalil Al-Farizi. I third of junior high school. In this video, I will present my level of product about Yakult and Guardian Screw. The first is Yakult. Brand Yakult. Name of product Yakult. The amount is 65 ml. Description is Yakult is a fermented milk drink containing medicinal provision and contain a healthy digestive system. It has a lighter taste and contains less sugar and fewer calories compared to originally. Ingredients: water, skimmed milk powder, glucose, natural flavoring, lactobacillus, casei and sweetness or sucralose acidulate. Direction to use: drink 1 bottle daily, preferable after meals, shake before drinking. Storage: keep refrigerated at 2 until 8 Celsius. Don't freeze. Expiration: 2 in 8, in 9, and 2028. The second is Garnier Screw. Brand is Garnier. The name of product is Garnier Brightening Face Screw. Amount is 100 milliliter, and description is: this is brightening face scrub. Is ginseng with natural lemon extract and microbes that help remove dead skin hairs, excess oil, and dullness. It leaves the skin feeling smooth, fresh, and visibly brighter. Ingredients: water, glycerine citric acid, citric acid, potassium hydroxide, palmitic acid, galaric ester, polyethylene, lemon fruit extract, and fragrant sodium. Directions use: apply a small amount with face, gently massage in gradual motion, avoiding the eye area. Rinse thoroughly with water. Use 2 until 3 times a week. Storage is stored in a cool, dry place and avoid direct sunlight. Expiration is 29 at 9 and 2028. Okay, nothing enough from me. The last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.